Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem Animals written by Walt Whitman. Yesterday we have seen Miss Poet Walt Whitman finding himself comfortable with animals. That means he could transform himself and live with animal because they are so placid and they are self-contained. Because means they are so placid means they are not animals are not easily upset and they are self-sufficient. Okay, and they are not dissatisfied also, they are not demented because they are not crazy for owning things. They are not crazy for owning things. Now today and they are also means these animals they are means they are not seen, they are not crazy. Okay, they are not weep means they are not complain mournfully, they are not complain sadly of anything, and that's why poet could transform himself and live with animals because he finding himself comfortable with animals. Okay, now next part of the poem, see next stanza. Not one kneels to another, not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. See, not one kneels to another. Means poet says that here, not one kneels to another. Means they are not rest on knee. Kneels means rest on knee to for the worship. Means human being they are rest on knee to for the worship of God, but animals they are not rest on knee for the worship of God, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. And they are not means they are not rest on knee and they are not doing any kind of that lived thousands of years ago. Means they are not ideal about the ancestor, those who are living thousands of years ago. Means that we are means we the human being always means thinking about our ancestor or like this way. But animal means if you are thinking animal, they are not any ancestor that lived centuries ago. Means they are not thinking about their ancestors, those who have lived centuries ago. Okay, but we always thinking of our means grandfather or grandfather's grandfather, like this we are means that chain we are not breaking. Okay, but animals they are means they don't think about that, and that's why poet want to live with animals. Okay, now next, not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Respectable, meaning of respectable, see here it is here too happy and satisfied. Respectable means in this poem the respectable means too happy and satisfied. Means animals not one is respectable, they are not means too happy or they are not too satisfied or they are not unhappy, means they are not unhappy over the whole earth. Okay, but we are if any matter happen we are always unhappy or sad. Okay, but animal they are not showing their happiness or they are not showing their sadness also, they are always satisfied. Then next, see, so they show their relation to me and I accept this. And poet says that here means no animals has ideal about or they are unhappy with the matter that relate to the whole earth. Means they express their relationship with the poet. Means poet says that they are showing their relationship to me. Means they are showing express their relationship with the poet in a simple way and poet also accept their relationship with him. Okay, and transform, he transform means he thought that he could transform and accept animals for what they are, whatever they are. Okay, see, they brings me tokens of myself, they evince them plainly in their possession. Means they bring me. Poet says that here, they bring means animals bring for the poet virtues like innocence, simplicity, contentment. Contentment means satisfaction. See here meaning of that, tokens. Tokens of means virtues like innocence, simplicity, contentment, etc. Contentment means satisfaction. Means poet says that here, means the animals bring him tokens, means that virtues like innocence, simplicity, satisfaction, okay, for himself. And they evince. Evince means they show. What they show? They are plainly in their possession. Means animal shows the quality what clearly belongs to them. Okay, clearly belongs to them. Means they behave clearly belongs to them. Okay, means they are possessed plainly. They shows their possession plainly. Okay, I wonder where they get those tokens. And poet wonder here where they get these virtues. Where they get these virtues. Okay, which virtues? Means innocence, simplicity, satisfaction. Means poet wonder that where they get these tokens or these virtues. Did I pass that way? Use time ago on negligence, negligently drop them. And poet says that, did I pass that way? Means the poet wonders if mankind or human passing through the various stages of evolution once possessed this quality ages ago and then across the years carelessly give them up. Means poet says that, poet wonders if we should possess these qualities. Which qualities? Means innocence, simplicity, satisfaction. Means if we should possess these qualities in order to improve human relationship. Means we should be possess. Poet wish or wonder indicate here, we should possess these qualities in order to improve human relationship and make this world a better place to live. Like this way poet indicate from this poem. This is the message through that poem poet give here. Which message? Poet indicate if we should possess these qualities, means these virtues, in order to improve human relationship. In order to improve human relationship and make the world a better place to live. Okay, better place to live. Means poet represented himself while passing through the various stages of evolution. One should be possess these qualities. One should be possess these qualities. Okay, means whatever the poet explained in this poem is qualities of animal that we should, means human beings should be possess these qualities. Okay, like this way poet gives the message through this poem. Means poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than human. Means because he finds complicated and false with human being, but he find happy with animal, more comfortable with animal himself. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the exercise. Thank you.